Sweeter in the morning when I look at your face, I love you. Oh, my little daughter, you're the meaning of grace, I love you. And I'm like, oh, take a look.
Excited, siyempre, pero siyempre, marami pa rin trabaho. 25 years. Yeah.
Talking in your sleep, I wonder what you're dreaming up, dear. And if the world don't keep you warm, there's a blanket of stars above here. And I'm like, oh, take another little piece of my heart.
Number one, siyempre, yung love. Number one yung tapos second, siyempre, yung faith natin sa God. Siyempre, yun. After that, yun talagang continuous dapat gagawin mo yung mga consistency. Yun siguro ang pwede ko sabihin pangatlo. Kasi siyempre, kung talagang meron kang love saka faith, dapat consistent pa natin para tumatagal ka ng taon-taon.
Then leave your take on it. There's a place that we go where you look at the light and the splinters.
Kasi nag-anong talaga, start kami on our own lang talaga. Without any help, hindi kami kumukuha ng help sa family. Tapos wala kami, minsan walang yaya, minsan meron. So talagang kami lang.
May feeling talaga, parang wow, parang iba yung dating, parang ganun yung experience ko, parang iba yung dating. Wala akong nakitang kakaiba. Pero siyempre, dati ko na sa nakikita, pero during that time, na para siguro matagal na hindi nakikita, on that time, may nakitang something na, siyempre, di siya taga-province na tulad sa amin. Siguro yung feeling na sinasabi ko kanina, may ibang naramdaman. Sabi ko, habang bumaba sa sagdan na gano'n, nakita ko siya na, parang ito pala si Mac during that time. And then yung feeling ko, doon ko naramdaman na, baka ito na yung the one.
Leave your take on it. This is where love is wanna be. In the sunshine, standing next to me. This is where love is wanna be. In the sunshine, standing next to me.
Benji, inspired by God's love for both of us, I now give myself to you anew as your wife in the presence of our relatives, sponsors, and friends. I renew my promise to you before God that I will be faithful to you and will love you with all my heart as long as we both shall live.
Will always be. Time and again, my darling, you're everything.
Ang taga Quezon kailangan uminom, 'di ba? So pinag-aralan ko talagang uminom. So sabay kaming umiinom. Alam mo naman, nagbago na ako for, di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi na ako sumpungin, hindi na delubyo, pero LPA na lang ha. Kasi hindi ko kasi kaya talaga, pero masasabi ko lang, basta wala nang delubyo, wala nang bagyo. Konti na lang. Hindi rin mawawala, hindi kaya eh. Promise. And mahal kita.
Like the sun is steady rise. Like a secret I can't keep. I have loved you forever.
The enduring love of Benji and Mac is a testament to the power of love that transcends time and remains steadfast.
So after 25 years, at least ito, dito tayo, nadaanan natin ng mga bagay-bagay, mga hindi lang puro hirap. Siyempre marami din tayong joyful experience, especially pag nata-travel tayo. And siguro moving forward, continue lang natin to. Sabi nga natin hanggang sa last breath of our life, tuloy natin itong pagsasama natin, pagmamahalan.
It's always you, it's always you. always you, always me.